morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? Today is the 4th of October. Back at it, and we're ready to get some plays. Price action on gold has been looking really, really ugly, though. What's good, Space Joe? Hey, soon too, I'm gonna have a little telephone here. It's gonna be on like the left hand side. It's gonna be like a little telephone. You're gonna be able to see your name and stuff like that, and also be able to peep the comment. I just gotta figure out how to. I got like the little template. I just need to figure out how to like put it on the stream and so that like you guys can see the chat box you guys self. I'm trying to make it more like official. But what's going on, Space Joe? How you feeling today, bro? Right now, I'm just marking up the charts, just trying to see what kind of plays I might be able to see for right now. Just the price action on gold here has been looking really ugly. We're nearing a higher time frame support, and I really feel like that's why it's been kind of so ugly. How you been, Space Joe? How you been, bro? Good to see you. Yes, sir. That's what I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. Man, gold's price action looks terrible. Even even at the news this morning, it didn't even move that good. Like, this is crazy to me. It's been looking terrible today. Shit, and yesterday too. But to be fair though, I did miss a sell position yesterday. Oh yeah, I got you, bro. Oh baby, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my, what a position. Yeah, bro, that's solid. Super solid. Super solid. Let's smash the TP, bro. Yeah, pound yen, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think I might switch over to pound yen just because price action on pound yen at least look a little bit more decent than fucking gold right now. Yeah, that was nice, bro. That was a nice ass play. Looks like we'll wait. What does it say? Has a weird little heart in the way. Looks like we'll wait for the news on gold. I think the news on gold already happened, if I'm not mistaken. So there's some more news today as well. Okay. The ISM PMI. So I wonder what OPEC meetings are. This is like something that I kind of didn't necessarily know exactly what it is, but right here is OPEC JMMC. Meetings are attended by representatives from the 13 OPEC members and 11 other oil-rich nations. They discuss a range of issues regarding energy markets and, most importantly, agree on how much oil they will produce. The meetings are closed to the press, but officials usually talk with reporters throughout the day, and a formal statement covering policy shifts and meeting objectives is released after meetings have concluded. Source first met in January of 2017. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC. Joint Ministerial Monitoring Committee. Huh. Very, very interesting.
Have you lost Medicaid or CHIP? At healthcare.gov, 4 out of 5 customers can find a quality plan for $10 or less per month with financial help. Enroll in a plan today at healthcare.gov. Paid for by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
So I do know naturally the daily candle is bullish right now, but personally, with this 30-minute closing bearish near this previous resistance, got me kind of more intrigued with trading pound yen here. Oh, I got no problem with prop firms, bro. I got zero problem with prop firms. It's just I personally just want to build my own capital. The only thing I obviously just don't like about it is just the fact that, like, I mean, if you trade really well, you have everything in line, everything like that, you know, consistency's all there. Yeah, it could definitely be a big benefit because once you pass all the challenges in XYZ, you know, you're going to be able to get, I believe, I can't remember exactly how much of the percentages, I think maybe 80% of the profits, but even then, I want to be able to take full profits. I don't want to have to split it or do anything like that. But yeah, honestly, I have no problem with them. I think it's pretty good. Definitely think it's pretty good. Yeah, goals is pushing too far down for me at this point. The 15-minute has been a time frame to catch that sell here on this, but right now we could be making a new support for this next candle. There's a lot of things that could happen. Gold or pound yen just kind of going switching back and forth, so it makes it a little bit nervous to enter on this this sell position. What do you think about prop firm space, Joe? Because personally, I mean, I think they're pretty cool though. I have no problem with them, for real. What's your thoughts about them? Yes, sir, Brody. I love to hear it, man. Definitely, we're gonna have to stay in touch, stay on touch on the Discord, and just keep that moving, man. I feel real confident with you, bro. Yes, sir. That's beautiful, bro. Exactly. I love to hear it, man. Sounds like a good plan. With a minute left, I'm not gonna lie, I do like pound yen's price action compared to gold. Gold's price action looks really ugly right now. All I will say is such a tight stop loss. I do like tight stop losses, but oof, I don't know. Having that daily candle bullish. Let's see. I'm gonna see the other time frames. What's the other time frames looking like? I mean, thankfully 4 hours is bearish, but it's barely bearish. That daily though, boy, that thing's bullish. Bro, yeah, no, I appreciate that, bro. 100%, man. I really feel like I'm very confident with you in, you know, being able to save up that 5K, but not to mention during that 5K save up, man, you making moves on that prop firm, bro. And with that prop firm, bro, you pass all them challenges, man. It could go real well for you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna get this position ready. We got a spread. Our spread's looking alright. 5 seconds. Oh my god. Why is it doing this? Oh my god, I gotta fix these charts. It's terrible. So I got a 14 pip stop loss here. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, like once it breaks this low right here. Once it breaks the low right here. I don't know why I think he's popping up so much. Like this little candle right here. I know what you're talking about. This right here. Hopefully with that 4 hour mixed with this New York Stock Exchange volume that we can actually get this push to give us a nice push down, not just give us such a wishy-washy play where it's kind of up and down, up and down. Hopefully we can just start continuing to push down, you know, no farther than 180. If it keeps going past that, obviously that's always well and good, but got to be a little bit careful right here. Got to be real careful around this price level here. What would this be? Yeah, like 180.98. Right here, got to be definitely careful. Got to make sure I'm securing profits. Hopefully that's about 14 pips. Yeah, it's actually 16, so definitely gonna look to take some profit there. Let's take a look, man. Come on. Yeah, thankfully the magic keys like pretty much calculates all that for me, so thank God I ain't gotta mess with it. The benefit with magic keys and having a stop loss, a tight stop loss, that okay, so if it hits my stop loss, obviously it sucks because it's like a 1.5% loss for sure. But the cool thing, it keeps that in check. But with a tighter stop loss, gives me a bigger lot size. So trading with a pretty big lot size right now, if we're able to get into profits, it would be very beneficial. But obviously with a lot size this big, never ever will I ever do this. But the worst thing to do would be moving stop losses higher or trying to make your stop losses bigger, because at that point now you're really playing with fire and you're going to lose a lot more than 1.5%. And right now it's looking a little rough. But it does have to create a wick, so I do understand that. Has to create a little liquidity wick before it can make that range wick. I'm just hoping that liquidity wick doesn't go far enough to hit my stop loss, obviously. I feel like we should be coming down here soon. I hate how it goes so far up every time I just try and stretch out a little bit more. Shit's mad annoying. So we finally got that break below that previous 30-minute candle. Definitely a good sign, but really just trying to keep trading below that, keep moving below, keep making higher lows and lower lows. That's what I'm really anticipating. But man, is it playing with me. The fact it goes all the way up here to like this fucking crazy ass price level is frustrating. Just want to see it a little bit better than that. Well, I suspect you got the right. I'm hoping you preaching the right stuff, because I'm not gonna lie, it's a little wishy-washy right now. This 30-minute candle has been bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So really kind of curious to see how at least this 15-minute will close. I don't want it to be closing this bearish or bullish, obviously. I want it to close bearish. But we will see. Yeah, gold is looking like shit today, honestly. I just did not want to trade gold. I was looking at gold. Did not look like the move. Personally, I was a little impatient too. This looked like a position I could enter in on, and honestly, I just wanted to enter in a position. This looked like a pretty good position. I also like the fact I do have a tight stop loss. Could be a really good move if we get that move down. Like, if we're able to get all the way down here, wow, that'd be beneficial. Super beneficial. Spread's starting to kick up on gold. But gold also has that news event coming up at 9 o'clock. Match these parameters up correctly. So we got price at 181.37. 181.37. Wait, 137 right there. Stop loss 181.278. There it is. Yeah, look good right there. It's the exact position. Can't even lie, chat. Big part of me, ooh, gotta use the restroom, but I'm just gonna hold it in. I'm entered in on this position, and I want to be able to manage this, and I'd be damned if I left for 1 second and I couldn't take profit and then it goes back to entry. That'd be terrible. The thing I like about this bias here is the fact that we got a 4 hour that's bearish. Not to mention we are like since this 30-minute close bearish, we're slightly rejecting this 181.362 level, and I'm really liking that idea. Like to continue this move down, you know what I'm saying, for sure. But oh my gosh, when it does this, it just kills you. It's like, oh my god, not again. Like, I just want to see it come down. And it keeps pushing back up. It's crazy how perception can be so big too. Yeah. Got 30 seconds, man. This is so important that this closes freaking bearish. Holy. If this closes bullish, oof. That'd be a little rough. I'm confident though. I'm confident it's going to be closing bearish. Come on, baby. 14 seconds. These are the moments 14 seconds feel so long. 9 seconds, no. There we go. 3 seconds, stay bearish. Yes, okay, thank God. And we broke below. That's even more helpful. So we closed bearish, but below that 30-minute, which is huge. Woo! Those seconds, boy. Felt like forever. Beautiful, beautiful. You may even be able to enter on that 15 and have a stop loss above that 15-minute. Be a little bit more risky, but hey, fuck it. When I hit 14 pips, I'll probably just close half and then let the rest run. With this resistance, there's 14, we'll close half, stop loss, go to entry. So this is the worry area right here. Right here. All this right here, we gotta be careful. I have my stop loss at break even now at this point because personally, I'd love to see this move keep pushing down. I can see it still pushing down, but I do have to keep in mind that this is still a worry. Like, this still is like, you know, gotta be careful with this. Oh my god, I hate when it does this. That shit is so annoying. I gotta really like change this shit up. I gotta figure out how to work these charts better on MT5, man. This shit's so annoying. That's why I like TradingView, because you can just do so much more with it. It's just so much easier to control opposed to this. It's like you want to like see price better. It's like shit makes you pay for it. Not like for real, but it makes you pay for it and like just being a pain in the ass. I can't ever see shit. Hold on, maybe I'll just grab this little motherfucking thing. Gosh damn. So I just got it too fat though. That's way too fat. Honestly, I'm so confused right now. What'd you notice, my guy? When it goes down, it goes down for long and vice versa. Yeah, GJ's been having some pretty nice moves lately. I can't even lie. Really has been. I would just really like for this position just to keep going down. I'd like to hit full take profit on this position. I'm just trying to stretch the profits too. Cause there's a it was like last week, man, 2 times in a row I took a sell on gold. Both those positions ended up hitting take profit. I closed 90%, let the rest run. Yeah, it ran, you know what I'm saying? It actually hit both times, it hit full take profit on both positions. Problem is though, I closed 90%, and by closing 90%, yeah, like it's good. Like it helped me get my confidence, like to hold positions in a sense. But at the same time, man, it's like it's so tough though at the same time, because there's nothing worse than trying to, like, for instance, like if I'm in this position, right, I took a sell, I would love just to hold it full with the whole entire lot size, everything like that, till all the way hits my take profit around this level, right? On gold, that it literally happened. It hit the whole take profit, right? Zero drawdown, literally didn't even come back to my stop loss, or yeah, my entry for break even. And the frustrating part about it is if I just didn't even close half or 90%, that would have been like a huge gain, like a 5%, 6% gain. What the hell? But yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is like holding these positions full, oh my god, can like be so huge. Like that can just be a 1-to-5 ratio type shit. And I think it's just crazy to me that there's times like just trading psychologically, it just can get to you, because there's so many times when you try and hold a position full, and when you try and do that, you just get hit break even. Like you'll go to your, you know what I'm saying, your 1-to-1, but then past your 1-to-1, it just goes right back to your entry and stops you out. And then if you just sat there and try to hold it full and then move your stop loss to break even, there's nothing worse than knowing that you at least could have profited a 1-to-1, and now you hit stop loss break even for literally nothing. Yeah, like it just always how it be, like holding that position, man, be so like fuck. You know what I'm saying? Like obviously I built some pretty good confidence over these few months on closing 90%. Yeah, no, exactly. It's still really good, but the times, like for instance, like I took 2 losses yesterday, or yeah, a 1 loss yesterday and then a loss before that, and I took pretty much 2 trades 2 days ago. The problem with that is if I would have just held full on both those gold positions, bro, like it would have zero effect on the account barely, because both those positions are like 5% come ups. If I lose 1.5%, it's not that much, you know what I mean? But for me to lose 1.5% after only profiting maybe like a 2% gain, it just, you know what I'm saying? It's just, oof, it just be something else. It'd be something else, because the times you're like, bro, I'm gonna close my 1-to-1 XYZ, those are the times that shit goes for your full fucking take profit, and it's just like, gosh damn, you know what I mean? Yeah, it helps you build confidence, it makes you want to hold it, but then there's times when you do hold it and then it just comes back to your entry, and it just be so frustrating. And like I told you guys, right here is my biggest worry. This zone right here. Reason why I'm worried about this zone is because it can easily turn into a support. That's why I don't like it. If we can trade past this, that's excellent. But if we can't, oof, that's when I start getting a little nervous. Gosh damn it. This fucking... There we go. That's not too bad. I like it like that. Where'd my stop area? Take profits all the way down here. 180.53. Where'd I got that at? 53 what? 53.9. Yeah, there we go. And the reason why I closed half and not 90% on this one is because personally I'm trying to gain more. Like I'm trying to have more of a bigger lot size as this price continues down to my full take profit. That's what I want. That's like what I'm aiming for right now, is that I'm aiming for that this position keeps pushing down all the way to the bottom of this support, we can at least touch it. And yeah, I'm honestly gonna move it up just a little bit. I'll move it like right here. Move that take profit just a bit right there at that line right there. But you know what, folks? I gotta use the restroom, so I can't even lie to y'all. I gotta use the restroom. I'll be right back. But since we are stop loss break even, all I can do at this point is pray that as I'm in the restroom, this position keeps coming down. You know what I'm saying? If I come back and I see no little, I don't see this here, I just see nothing, I'm gonna be a little sad. I'm gonna be like, damn, I got stopped out of break even. I'm really hoping to see this keep pushing down. And we're just going to keep it on here live for right now, guys. I'll be right back and shit. You know what I mean? We're going to stay rocking with it. But, man, oh, man. You know what I'm saying? Keeping it real. Whew, I definitely got to use the restroom, guys. But, hey, folks, thank y'all so much for tapping in. So far, position going pretty good right now. Can't even lie. It's going pretty good. As much as I wanted to trade gold today, because I just want to master gold. Like, I really want to get so good at trading gold that it's like I can come in here every day and profit. Man, some days price action just ain't looking right. It just ain't looking right. And some of these stop losses for gold lately have been huge. And having big ass stop losses just kind of sucks. Especially as a scalper. You know what I'm saying? I'm a scalper, so I don't want big ass stop losses. But if I was a swing trader, I wouldn't give a fuck. But personally, as a scalper, I definitely like my stop losses to be a lot smaller. But anyways, guys, I'll be right back. I'll see you guys in a second. Peace. One moment. All right, folks. So I'm back right now. We just cooling. That's all I can say. It's a good way to cool it like this. Just really hoping we can continue price keeping pushing down at this point. And I'm gonna say it on live just because this like goes, my emotions goes through this, right? So in a moment like right now, I can't lie, part of me wants to just close full, right? But the thing is though, there's so many times I feel like I cuck myself where I ain't getting the full profit when I have a good feeling that it's gonna go through this whole, it's gonna hit this the TP. Overall TP should be hitting. But right now, my biggest emotion is telling me, close right now. Just close what I got. Because I've already profited half, and then to add this, that's pretty nice. But there's a huge part of me that tells me, if I close right now, I'll be damned if I see that mug push all the way down, hit that profit, you know? So I got some conflicting thoughts. I do got some conflicting thoughts. But we just gonna let it do its thing, fuck it. Honestly, guys, if we start breaking a little bit further, I don't know. I might just close full. It's so hard not to close full right now, to be honest. Like, I can't lie, folks. I really want to hit that motherfucking overall TP, but oof. When I see it do this, I'm not gonna lie. If it goes a full candle, I just might fuck around and close full. I can't lie. Oh, this shit just. Let me just. Yeah, hold up. Guys, damn. Because now in the back of my head, I got this. It's 2 minutes closing this 15-minute candle. The biggest worry I got now is this little resistance right here. This little resistance, I do not want to make a support. I want this mug to keep pushing past. I do not like this area. Oof, man, I can't lie. It's like the second opportunity here to potentially take some profit. But I'm not gonna lie, I do want to hold. Think I'm gonna just take profit here soon. I'm gonna close at 50. Sounds like a good number. Oh shit. I fucking hate that shit. Alright, so I had to close at 50. It could keep pushing down the full take profit. But if it keeps pushing down the full take profit, that's okay. I just want to close at 50 just cause fuck it, 50 sound like a good little pippage that I wanted to get. But yeah, decent trade today. Definitely feeling good about it. Gonna be back tomorrow, so I appreciate everybody tapping into the stream today. I ain't gonna lie, you was able to catch a lot of emotions on the stream, cause I can't lie, it's just like the worst thing there could be is when you fucking have a stop loss at break even and you don't close full profits because you're anticipating it to hit, and price just comes right back to your entry and takes you out the position. It's like, damn, then you feel like everything was a waste of the time because you didn't close profits when you could have at least got a 1-to-1, and then now you're just completely out of the position. Now you're just considering, like, do I enter it again or do I just stay out of it? You know what I mean? It's so messy with your mind. And it feels good to see this keep pushing down, but honestly, I'm totally cool where we end up taking profit, honestly, on everything. So that's a big plus. But regardless, folks, thank you so much. Appreciate y'all tapping in today. Gonna be back here tomorrow. Take a look. Shout out to the OPEC meetings. Shout out to the OPEC meetings. Shout out to New York's NYSE volume. I really want to get better and better at understanding this economic news, because that would be a huge plus in the trading. There we go. Shout out to China's banks being closed today. Hey, oh yeah, Space Joe. That's what I love to hear, man. I love to hear that you hit your take profit as well. No worries, man. I don't blame you, man. It's just how it is, bro. I have the same issue, bro. It's not even an issue, bro. Let me reiterate that. It's not even an issue, bro. Closing early, by no means. There's no issue. That's perfect. You profited, bro. If you win a trade, that's more than, most traders that try and trade. So it's like, that's beautiful. I just think in my head, it's like, I'm trying to practice increasing my profits, because, dude, sometimes I feel like I just close so fucking early, and that shit hurts. That shit hurts, because the times, like, yeah, it's like cool, but like 1-to-1s are important. But the more and more I'm trading, I'm like finding out more and more, like, the times you can increase profits, you really need to take advantage of that, because if you can hit a 1-to-3 ratio or something like that, it's so much better than just hitting a 1-to-1. And yeah, it's so much more beneficial. 3% gain today. 3.3 definitely felt pretty good. Max drawdown 4 pips. Holy shit. Yeah, honestly, and it's so true though what Raha says though. Raha does say, like, the best way to increase confidence of holding positions is closing 90%, closing 50%, closing whatever percentage you're comfortable with, 60%. It don't matter for real. It's just as long as you close some. I would say obviously over 50%. You don't want to close less than that, but at least 50%. And if you close 50%, it's feels really good whenever a position keeps moving in your direction. And this is further to my point. This could have been so much more profitable if I just held entirely full the whole time. But to have that confidence to do that though, because taking 1 to 2 trades every single day, there's nothing worse than that shit just going right back to your stop loss. And if you take 1 to 2 trades, it goes right to your stop loss at break even. At that point, you just really consider on what to do. And then in moments like this, price just went all the way down, hit my take profit, like straight up. I mean, honestly, did that smash the TP yet? Okay, yes, it did. I mean, it didn't smash it, but we did clear TP. So we would have at least hit the full TP, but I didn't care. I wanted to at least close that, and I'm fine with that. It is what it is. But even then, it's just showing me more and more now that it's like this can give me more and more confidence, and it's gaining my confidence to do this, to hold, close 50% and then let the rest run. Closing 90% is really good if you're trying to get that 1-to-1 and only that 1-to-1, and then just whatever little amounts there, just let that increase your confidence. And that's kind of what's been doing and really helping me do that, and that's why I felt a lot more confident to hold it, even the 50%. But dude, I just had these bad thoughts in my head, like, oh my god, dude, what if we get a support crane right here, it goes all the way back up here, I'm only close 50%. I'm kind of like, damn. You know what I mean? Just earlier I could have closed with a higher percentage, but now I'm closing with almost a 1.5% again. You know what I mean? Those things that go through your head is like, should be making it stressful. But at the same time, it's not that it's stressful. It's just you just want to make the right decisions. You know what I mean? And it's just in trading, that's what's beautiful about it, is because it's like your decision making has to be so quick. Like you can't just because the second you say like, oh, I'm not gonna do this or I'm not gonna do this, it's just, it could slip away from you. Like the profits could slip away from you. But regardless, hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. We're gonna be back here tomorrow. We got unemployment claims for tomorrow, which should be really popping though, because it's the beginning of the month. Beginning and end of the months are always going to be really huge. But then again, we have most of this coming on Friday as well, so it's going to be really interesting to see what's going to happen. Could be a big day. We're going to use we're probably going to use buy limits and sell limits. Try and use those, utilize them to our advantage. Hopefully, But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for unemployment claims. That's going to be at 7:30, so I will be on the stream earlier. This generally has some good volume, so I like to see how it moves. But regardless, though, I probably won't even take a trade during that. I may use that. I'm probably going to use the buy limits and sell limits on and not limits, excuse me. The buy stops and sell stops, excuse me. So buy stops and sell stops on Friday the 6th. Got a lot of news, a lot of volume in the markets, and then Thursday we're just gonna look to do some market execution. Probably look to market execute most likely around NYSE. I'd rather see what move kind of went about with this, and then go from there. Take a position upon NYSE's move, but yeah, we'll just take a look at it. And thank you guys so much. I really appreciate y'all, and God bless. Peace.